Hello, this is Trisha from Sandy and Otto, and I have another estate sale haul for you. This is probably from a couple different estate sales, and everything's wrapped up, and I cannot remember what's inside, so I'll be just as surprised as you are in the unboxing. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and click the notification bell and watch the Help Me Get to 1,000 Subscribers videos so you can see great items that you can claim in a giveaway and how to earn bonus entries into that giveaway. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So here we go. So a lot of things here are wrapped in either paper or um, they are wrapped in some linens. So I will have some linens with that. Oh, look at this. Let's see. Oh, this is Reed and Barton. Beautiful red enamel, and it looks like it fits right in there. How cool is that? Okay. Oh, this feels like some plates. And again, I'm not sure if all of these things are everything that goes together. I kind of might have to do another couple unboxings before I hit everything, but look at this set of 3 of these plates with this great orange striping on it. Whoa. Those are very cool. Oh, here's some more. So there's another orange one. Love that. So that's a set of 4. Oh my. Look at these. Oh, so cool. And here's some more. Oh, another orange. And another orange. Love that. And another orange. Oh, so good. And this is wrapped in some. Oh, oh, I remember this one. This is so fantastic. And then here is oh, look how pretty that is. A linen with a nice little flower on the bottom. That's nice. And then here's another one of those. Nope, I'm not letting you see them till the end, or till I'm done unwrapping all of these. Oh my. What is this? Let's see. Okay. Oh, oops. And here is another one of those linens. Um, well, the flower is somewhere, so there's another one of those. And then, hi. Unwrap. Then I'll show you this amazing set. Let's see if I can do this. Okay, here we go. So we have the cocktail shaker with the fish on it, and I have 5 of these glasses also with the fish on them. Oh my goodness. Isn't that just fantastic? I'm looking to see if there's a name or something on there. I'm not seeing a name, so I'll have to do some investigating, but oh man, that is a fun set. And I also have, oops, a pair. So I'll try to get these in my Saturday sale. Bunnies, little bunny salt and peppers. Cute little whiskers on them. So I'll set those so I can get those in my Saturday sale. And then I have this beautiful, teeny tiny little swan dish. And this is Lennox. It says to the bride. Oh, isn't that cute? Okay, on to another bag. And oh, violets and a creamer. And no marking on the bottom of this, but oh man, that is lovely. I need to move that down a little. Okay. And oh, so here is a violets dish that unfortunately I can see a chip in it already. These chip very easily. Oh my. Here is a beautiful hand-painted vase. Look at those beautiful purple flowers. That is gorgeous. And oh, here is a vase. Oh, oh, there's something in there. Look at this. Beautiful irises etched in there. Wow. And it's got some kind of a mark on the bottom. So I'll do some investigating to see what that is. But oh man, frosted and etched in there. That is lovely. Put that right there. And we'll see what is in here. We've got another, this is just a glass vase with a beautiful swirl to it. That is nice. Oh, this one. Oh my gosh. This one is fantastic. Wait till you see this. So here is a ladybug, cute little ladybug that is a metal flower frog. How fantastic is that? And it does say Japan on the bottom. I'll show you that right there. Let's see, get it into the light. Japan. And that is just the most amazing flower frog. Oh, so cool. Yeah, that's it for that bag. Items to unwrap here. And, oh, yeah, these are a nice set. I remember seeing these in the picture. So here is a beautiful pair of blue leaves, little ceramic dishes, but they're actually wrapped, the handles here. Nice little added detail. That's nice. Okay, and another bag. See what is in here. We've got some linens. This is a pillowcase. I don't think it's vintage though. Or it might be vintage, it's just not fancy. And okay. Oh, we've got this, like a soup tureen. I don't see any markings on it, but nice neutral color. And we've got just a plain pillowcase with a beautiful lace edge on it. And here is a clear bowl, but we've got a gold trim on it, and we've got this really cool geometric pattern on there. That's fun. It's a very thin um, very thin glass. So I'm definitely thinking there's some age to that because of the thinness of it. This is Pyrex. Beautiful etched lid on that. And here's where it says Pyrex. Is that upside down? There we go, where it says Pyrex right there. That is lovely. And then I've got this. Oh, look at this. Well, when this gets cleaned up, look at that beautiful pattern on there. Wow. That is pretty. Let's see. I'm going to put that over there. And I've got some more of these napkins. There's another one. And another one. And we've got just a plain plate here. Nothing fancy with that one. Oops. And then, let's see. Oh, well, here's some nice depression glass. That's a beautiful 3-section server. Let's see. Off the top of my head, I would say this is probably the Madrid pattern. Kind of has that look to it, which is a federal glass pattern. And we've got another serving dish in here. Let's see, all of that. Let's see. It's wrapped in a pillowcase, so I'm trying to figure out how to get in here. And this is just a pennies cotton. This not a fancy linen, but here is another of those 3-section servers. That's a lovely set. Okay, and then last up, I have a bag that I believe is just all linens. So let's see if I can get anything out of here. Got it packed in there pretty tight. So this looks like a tablecloth. And let me open this up a bit. Now this does appear to be machine stitched. And we've got these beautiful flowers on each corner and all along the edge here. That is nice. And then a pink edge. So that is a beautiful tablecloth. Let's see what's in the center. Just some little flowers just in the center there. And let's see. This looks like another tablecloth, kind of that standard standard design from the like 60s or so. This is a very light yellow. I'll get in here close so you can see that pattern. And then in the middle, it just has this nice little panel. I'm going to see real quick if it has any kind of tag on it, but I'm not seeing one. So I don't know who made that. And then these look like the napkins that go with it in a very similar pattern. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 napkins that go with that. And then one more item, and this is a yellow tablecloth. And this again is just a very nice um, design. Just a nice plain tablecloth, very elegant looking. And all of these appear to be square tablecloths. So that is it. I'm going to say there's probably more to that soup tureen somewhere. So stay tuned for another unboxing to see the rest of that. But yeah, so that was really fun. And I do believe that there are more striped items to go along with those really colorful striped plates. Yep, I'll be just as surprised when I pull those bags out to go through those. So thanks for watching. And again, if you are new, please subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.